Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the EZSET electronic deadbolt programming instructions step by step as of 2026. Now, before programming anything, the EZSET lock must learn whether your door is left-handed or whether it is right-handed. So if this particular step is skipped, the lock may beep 3 times and refuses to lock electronically. So EZSET manuals specifically mention this one as one of the most common setup issues. Now, most of the EZSET electronic deadbolts use 0000 as the default programming code, and sometimes 1234 as the default user code. So after installation or reset, so EZSET recommends changing both immediately for security purposes. So first of all, you need to enter into the programming mode. So you just have to enter the programming code over here using these buttons. Then you need to simply press the EZSET button available over here on the top in order to enter into the programming mode. Now, once you have entered into the programming mode, you can start creating the new pin. So inside the programming mode, you need to enter the setup sequence for the user code programming. Afterwards, you just have to simply enter your 4 to 10 digit codes, and then you need to simply press the enter button or the EZSET button available over here in order to save it again. Now, when you press it, you will see the green light flashing, and it will going to give you 2 long beeps when programming succeeds. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.